In this video, we're breaking down how to build a fully automated sales funnel inside of GoHighLevel. And we're doing it in a way that feels simple, accessible, and honestly pretty fun. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff so you can build your first website, sales funnel, or online business without wasting a ton of time or money. Now, when people hear sales funnel, a lot of beginners picture something super complicated, like a giant web of pages, buttons, automations, triggers, and tech jargon. And yeah, funnels can get complicated if you want them to, but the kind of funnel that truly helps like 95% of online business owners is actually super simple. And GoHighLevel makes it even easier because it bundles everything under one roof. Your pages, your forms, CRM, email, SMS, automations, bookings, literally everything. How to understand the strategy behind your funnel and then build it fast using templates without hiring a designer or spending 12 hours dragging blocks around the screen. So the flow for today's video, what a simple sales funnel actually is in plain English. So a sales funnel is basically a guided path that you design for strangers who eventually become customers. A simple funnel looks like this: an opt-in or sales page to a thank you page to automated follow-up where you present your offer. If you understand that flow, you understand funnels. Now, why automation makes everything easier? So automation is where things get really fun. Automation means you don't have to manually send emails, DM everyone back, set reminders, follow up with leads, copy and paste templates, remember who came from where. Your funnel becomes a little digital assistant that never gets tired and never forgets. The moment someone opts in, the tag gets applied, the email starts sending, the CRM updates, your pipeline fills, you get notified, and the system starts warming them up automatically. It's predictable, consistent, and scalable, which is why businesses love GoHighLevel. Why GoHighLevel makes this even better. And there are a ton of funnel builders out there. ClickFunnels, System.io, Lead Pages, ConvertKit, Kajabi. Now they all work, but most of them are single purpose tools where GoHighLevel isn't. GoHighLevel gives you funnels, websites, CRM, email marketing, SMS, pipelines, automations, booking calendars, forms, invoicing, memberships, and more. And it's all in one place. Everything's native, everything syncs, everything works. But the best part, and what I'm really focusing on today, is this: GoHighLevel's templates make funnels ridiculously fast to launch. So instead of designing every page from a blank canvas, you can load a beautiful template and only change the headline, the colors, the form, the thank you message, and the automation behind it. That's it. This is why people get overwhelmed by funnels, because they start from scratch. So let me show you what I mean. Let's walk through the funnel flow without building it from scratch. All right, let's jump into GoHighLevel. Now, if you don't already have an account with GoHighLevel, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 14-day trial. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here we are inside of GoHighLevel. We'll come over here on the left-hand side, click on Sites, and then come to Funnels. Next, we'll go ahead and click on New Funnel. Now, this is what you want to avoid right here, starting from blank. Now, if you want to, I mean, you can, but trust me, going with templates is going to save you so much time, so much headache. There's really nothing worse than staring at a blank page, much less a whole blank funnel. So let's go ahead, make our lives a little bit easier, and come to the template section and go ahead and click on Continue. Now there's some different filters over here on the left-hand side. So you can browse by category. We click on Show More, and we can look through all these different categories here. We can go to the types, right? So there's different types of these funnels: about and bio, a checkout, consultation, free resource and download. So there's tons of different ones here. And there's also tags that we can go through as well. So there are tons of different tags. So it might not be the best way to go ahead and search through here, but let's go ahead and stick on this sort of health and wellness vibe and take a look at something here. And then can we also do like a free resource download? All right, I think we're gonna go with this one, the fitness download, just because I think the steps and like the pre-built template is gonna be best for what we're trying to do here. But what's great about the templates, you can always go ahead and click on preview and you go ahead and check it out before you like load it into your account and everything. So as you can see, it's just a template. It's just a placeholder for everything. But I think this is gonna be what we want here, right? Yep, download your free whatever. Unable to find form. This one actually doesn't look that good. Again, you can go ahead and go through these different filters if you want. I honestly like the look of this first one here, or build a weekend scale to millions. Let's go ahead and preview this one. This one looks pretty clean and modern. Oh yeah, I think I like this one. And you can go ahead and preview it on different sizes here. Maybe this isn't the vibe you're going for. Again, maybe you want something more like, maybe you have a product or a free download, right? Something like this might be a little bit better, right? Obviously this is like, fitness related, but again, come through here, here, browse through the templates and find just a good starting point. Weight management program. Honestly, there's a tons of good ones in here. I sort of like this one because it has this built-in form up here. So I think we're actually gonna go with this. So go ahead and click on choose template. And it takes just a second here to go ahead and add this into your funnels inside of your GoHighLevel account. Okay, sweet. So now you can come in here and completely edit this. So it looks like the form didn't copy over. That's fine. We can go ahead and fix that. But we're obviously gonna have to go ahead and make changes to this anyways, like change up our logo here, put our own image back here, come up with our own headline. And again, this is gonna really depend on exactly what it is that you're giving away. But what you get with each template, right? So you can come up here, and if you click on this little drop down here, you'll see different pages, right? So here's the opt-in page. You'd go ahead and fill out your information right there. And then we come to the checkout page here. And here you can go ahead and check out. And then after the checkout page, after you go ahead and fill that, and then it brings you here to the thank you page. So again, are templates perfect? No, but they're a great starting point, right? And again, if you can find something that even just slightly mirrors kind of what you have in mind or what you were trying to do, and you see like a similar layout, it's a really good starting point. And again, you just kind of then just drag and drop your stuff in instead of having to like start from scratch. And that way everything's all formatted nicely and whatnot. So that's how you go ahead and get started with that, just using a template. The beauty of the template is that it comes with a hero section, a spot for your headline, a form or a button to buy, a nice clean layout beneath it, a simple thank you page, and placeholders for your automations. So that's this right here, right? How to lose weight without starving yourself. If you're selling weight loss, that's a pretty strong headline. So make sure that your headline addresses the problem that you're trying to solve head on. Next is the subtext. Explain what they're getting in one simple sentence. So here it says small steps today, lasting results tomorrow. So that's honestly pretty weak if you ask me. I think that should say something like, with only 3 hours a week and our proprietary Hulk Daddy protocol, you can lose 10% body fat in 30 days or something like that. I don't know. I literally just made that up. But small steps today, lasting results tomorrow. Okay, what are those small steps? What am I getting? Why am I putting my information in here? This right now just sort of leaves me with more questions, which is exactly what you don't want to do. Now, you also don't want to write a novel here, right? Just 1 to 2 simple sentences kind of explaining what they get and why it's important and how it solves that problem. Also change the images so you could maybe upload a PDF mock-up if that's what you're giving away, a lead magnet of some sort, a thumbnail or a graphic that represents your lead magnet, or again, whatever it is that this is for. For the form, choose your form and make sure it tags the person correctly. As for the colors, adjust the button color to match your brand. And for the footer, you can add minimal branding here, disclaimers, or your logo. All right, now for the thank you page. In the template, you'll see a confirmation headline, a description, maybe a bonus tip, and a button. Again, I'm only editing the text here, right? We're not redesigning the whole sections. No adding 15 boxes, just customizing what's already there. You might add something like check your inbox sort of reminder thing, maybe a link to your social media accounts or a button to join your free community, but really just focus on the next step, right? That's the whole point of a funnel. You got them to the opt-in page. Now they're on the thank you page, meaning that they opted in for whatever your thing is. Now just deliver on that and point them to the next step or get them to consume another piece of content. But here, again, we're not really too concerned about like the whole, higher level design. Obviously come in and change the picture, right? They'll just leave some picture of a random person here or here, right? And change the text. But as far as like the whole structure and layout, we don't need to, reinvent the wheel. So now the automation. So this might be the most important part. So inside GoHighLevel's automation tab is where we'll be working next. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and click on create workflow and we'll go ahead and select from a template. You guessed it. So here they've got tons of different, what they call recipes or templates here. So if we click on show more, we can go ahead and look through the different categories here. So we'll go ahead, we'll come on to this lead nurture here, and they've got several different options here. So we've got a fast 5 light, long-term nurture. Let's go ahead and do this fast 5. Let's go ahead and preview that real quick. No, I don't think we want that. So one thing we're going to want to make sure we do is on this, if you have a form here, what we want to do is we want to come here and we want to make sure that we have this selected, right? So this isn't the form that I'd actually use, but it's just the only form that I have available in here. So go ahead and just put that in there. Filling this out is what's going to go ahead and trigger our automation. Okay, so from here, we'll go to the automation. Go ahead, we'll click create workflow. We're going to actually start from scratch here. We'll go add a new trigger and we'll go ahead and just type in form and we'll go form submitted. And we can come and add a filter for form is, and we'll go ahead and select that specific form right there. And then we could go ahead and click Save Trigger. And the first thing we want to do is send an email. And this is the email that you can go ahead and type your message in here. You could also select from a template as well. But this is where you want to go ahead and deliver the lead magnet. So we'll just go ahead. I'll just go ahead and type this in. We'll type in deliver lead magnet and paste that in there. We'll go ahead and click Save Action. Then next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look for a wait. We'll go ahead and maybe wait 2 days. And we'll go ahead and save. We'll go ahead and add another email. And this is where, again, this is going to vary depending on your business or what it is that you're giving away or the problem that you're trying to solve. So here, maybe you give a tip, maybe you tell a personal story, maybe a client success story. And again, 3 to 6 emails over a week or 2 is like a good spot. And at the end, you want to make sure that you have your call to action for your main offer. So again, email 1, lead magnet delivery, wait a day. Email 2, a quick win, wait 2 days. Email 3, story or testimonial, wait 2 days. Email 4, call to action. You're simply just editing the subject lines, the copy, the links, and maybe adding 1 or 2 SMS reminders. Why using templates makes you more effective? So every beginner makes the same mistake. They try to build funnels from scratch because they think it's more custom. But custom doesn't mean better. Custom means slower at first. Custom means more overwhelming. Custom means more chances to break things. Launching and testing your funnel. Now, once everything's edited inside the template, you want to test the flow. But again, don't overcomplicate it. If everything flows naturally, then congratulations. You have a functioning lead funnel that runs automatically. So your funnel doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to run. Building a fully automated funnel inside of GoHighLevel doesn't have to be stressful or slow. When you use templates, you skip the hardest parts. Design, layout, spacing, structuring, mobile responsiveness, page flow, and you get right into the part that actually matters. Helping people, delivering value, and turning strangers into customers. And once you understand the strategy, it becomes super easy. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with your 14-day free trial. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.